Our latest innovation is built to impress, the RP340 press tool. Weighing in at just 8.3 pounds with battery, the RP340 is 17% lighter and 30% smaller than its predecessor, the RP330B. It offers the same powerful output of 7,200 pounds of force and an extended service interval of up to 42,000 press cycles between scheduled tool maintenance. That's 31% longer, allowing you to maximize uptime on the job site. The RP340 features an easy-to-handle pistol grip design with a barrel that rotates 270 degrees for easy access to hard-to-reach connections. Indicators alert you when the tool's battery is low, when it's operating outside acceptable temperatures, or when it needs service. Industry-exclusive bolt sensor technology ensures the jaw is securely connected to the tool before a press cycle is initiated. To confirm a good, consistent press every time, the RP340 incorporates an internal microprocessor that monitors performance through cycle completion. Legendary reliability, ultimate productivity. The all-new RP340 lets you take on even the toughest jobs with confidence.